Hi friends! Google Drive is used to store files in the cloud so they can be accessed from anywhere. You can use any of your Google accounts to access Google Drive. We recommend you to follow the steps shown here in this video only after watching part 1, 2, and 3 of this video. Here's how it continues from part 3. To create a spreadsheet, just click on the New button and then click on Google Sheets. It will open in a new tab and look quite similar to Microsoft Excel. For demo purpose, here we will show you how it works like Excel. Enter any values in the cells. To get the total of it, just click on a new cell. Type equals sum, open parentheses, select the cells you want to get the total of, and then press the Enter key. See, it comes up with the result, just like in Microsoft Excel. You can also edit the data if you want. It also shows formatting options to edit the spreadsheet. To rename the spreadsheet, just click on the Untitled Spreadsheet. Enter the name you want to give to the worksheet and then click on OK. The name will be changed successfully. Now close the Spreadsheet tab and you can view it in the My Drive section. Click on the List View icon to display the files in List View, and here you can view more details about the documents. Now you can find which documents you have shared with your contacts and which documents were starred by you. You can also rearrange the list through options available in the Sort menu. Here's a document with W icon, which means it is in Word format. If you want to edit this document, right-click on it, go to Open With, and then click on Google Docs. You will notice that it opens in a new tab and is taking some time. It is actually converting the document from Microsoft Word format to Google Docs format. When it opens, then you can modify or edit the document as per your requirement. Now go back to the Google Drive list, and here you'll notice that there's a second document with the same name, but its format is Google Docs. You can see the icon next to the document. Now go back to the document and then close it. To continue with the steps to use Google Drive, watch part 5 of this video.